Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by sorting audio and visual rights. Do this now. Pick original voiceovers or tracks with clear licenses and download or screenshot the license page. Once done, label files with creator name, license type, and date. This saves disputes later. Make sure to use TikTok's in-app music only when the tag shows licensed for your region, and avoid taking clips from TV, movies, or songs without a written license. Those are the usual takedown triggers. Once you have licensed assets, edit to make your content transformative. Change arrangement, add narration, and incorporate original visuals. Explain why your use is new, commentary, parody, or tutorial, and make that clear in the first 3 seconds and in captions. Add on-screen attribution with creator name and license, and save the raw project files and permission emails for at least 6 months. If TikTok asks, you can produce evidence quickly, which often prevents automatic removal. You're ready to post. Use a descriptive caption stating license details and why the use is allowed. Once posted, monitor claims and notifications closely for 24-72 hours, and if a takedown appears, respond immediately with your saved license, screenshots, and timestamps. If an appeal fails, contact the rights holder politely with evidence. Sometimes direct permission resolves it. Troubleshooting tip. If automated tools keep flagging, re-edit to remove the disputed element and re-upload with clear attribution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.